guys, this is Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in previous videos so many of you guys have DM me that how to do perfect eyeshadow, how to do perfect blending, and I thought why not do a basic eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to blend your eyeshadow really very well. Guys, it will take more practice and time by time you will get it really very perfect. I also know this after 2 to 3 years of perfect blending and everything. So yes, I'll be showing you everything very detail to detail, so it will be very easy for you guys to do a quick eyeshadow within just few minutes and you're good to go and you're good to glam. So yes, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I'm just zooming in the camera so you guys can see very perfectly. And yes guys, I have done my brows and now we'll move for the eyelid. And I'm using concealer from the NYX Conceal and Contour palette, and I'm just going at the tear duct area of my eye and I'm just clearing out my eyebrow line so it gives more precise eyebrow look. And then I'm just blending in the concealer with my flat brush and I'm just going all over my eyelid area to get that even skin finish. Also, I'm applying really very well so I get a smooth base for my eyeshadow. Just apply the concealer really very well and also will move with the setting our eyelid area, and for that I have used a matte cream eyeshadow. You guys can take a loose powder as well, whichever is comfortable with you. So guys, we are moving with the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use this chocolate rose gold palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just taking the lightest shade from the palette. And see guys, this is your eyebrow and this is the socket. So when you open your eyes and the hollow which you can see is the exact place of your transition shade. So you guys just need to blend your transition shade which you have choose the lightest shade, and we have to just apply with the small blending brush. I have used this flat blending brush, but you guys can also take a fluffy blending brush whichever is available with you guys. And I'm just slowly patting at the outer corner and then just I'm going towards the inner corner, and guys I'm applying it really very lightly. So I'm just buffing the color and I'm just blending it really very well so we get a nice smooth transition shade. Just start from your outer corner and then go inside very slowly so you get a perfect transition shade. Guys, your transition shade should always be very light, that should be nude color, peach color or very light color. And I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just blending it really very well so there won't be any creases or any lines as such. Guys, just use a circular motion and you're totally sorted. You guys just need to practice. And I'm taking this brown shade and dark brown shade from the palette and I'm just blending at the outer corner just to give more depth to my outer corner. Guys, the darker shade will always be at the outer corner, so you guys just need to blend it really very well. Just pat the color, don't just swipe the color, just pat the color so you will get more intensity of the color, more payoff of the color. I'm just intensifying the outer corner by taking more dark brown shade and I'm just moving till the middle of the eye because the inner part of the eye will be bare for the eyelid shade, so we have to just blend it at the outer corner and I'm just dragging a little bit back so it gives very nice V shape at the end. And then I'll be taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just merging it all really well, the crease shade and the dark brown shade, to just blend it really very well so it looks all one and natural at the same time. Guys, for the perfect eye you just need to blend and just keep on practicing, and in that way you will get a perfect eyeshadow. And guys, now we'll move ahead with the rose gold shade and golden shimmer shade, and I'm just applying with a flat brush and I'm just moving with the eyelid area, starting at the eyelid area and then slowly I'll be going at the inner tear duct area. just pat the color guys, because it is really nice shade. It is a nice golden shimmer shade, so you just need to pat the color and you will get the maximum intensity of the color. Also, I'm just buffing out the line of the golden shade and I'm just blending it really very well so it looks all one and seamless. Guys can see how nice and blended it is looking. And guys, now we'll move ahead with the lower lash line, and I'm going with the same shade which we have used for the transition shade, that is for the crease part. And I'm just taking that brown shade and I'm just blending it with a very small flat brush so it can go till the inner area and just blends it really very well, so it looks all one, natural and same at the same time. And we are moving with the mascara. So I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm just going with the generous coat so it gives me more natural and very nice thick lashes. Also, I'll be doing with the lower lash line so it looks very nice. Just coat your lashes very well so your eyeshadow will look very nice and very beautiful. For just intensifying the look, I'm going with the kohl pencil. This is from Bonjour, and I'm just tightening the upper waterline and the lower waterline as well, so it looks very nice. Don't forget to highlight your brow bone area, and we are done with this look. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I think this video will be helpful for you guys. If it does, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will always be notified when a new video comes. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.